Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Carla, and welcome to the video. So for today's video guys, as you can see sa title and sa thumbnail, I'm going to show you kung paano ba mag-transfer ng amount from Western Union mobile app to GCash. Without any further ado guys, let me start the tutorial. So what you will do is very simple, very quick and easy. Tap send, and then makikita mo dito kung ano yung mga e-wallet at mobile banking na available. So select view all guys. So dito makikita mo sobrang daming pwedeng pagsendan ng amount. So yung hinahanap natin guys is si GCash. Ayan, pwede ka ding mag-send kay GoTime, but dito tayo kay GCash ngayon guys. So ayan, pwede kang mag-send. Ang daming affiliated na pwedeng isendan ni Western Union. So just tap exchange or ang GCash, tapos enter mo yung iyong account number. And then tap the first name and your last name. So I'm gonna hide this because this is very personal po. I'm gonna send mga 1-4. Yan. So inulit ko guys. So ayan, para sulit na sulit yung ating mawi-withdraw. Dahil mahal yung kanyang convenience fee guys. And then tap send money and enter ulit yung iyong PIN code. So voila, ayun na, nasend na siya sa ating GCash. And para malaman mo if nasend ba talaga siya, punta tayo dito sa ating GCash app. And then, ayan, meron ng laman yung ating GCash guys. Sobrang dali and sobrang hassle-free. So, hindi mo na kailangan pumunta ng Western Union outlets or centers para lang makapag-withdraw. With this, a few clicks sa iyong phone, automatically matatransfer mo yung amount. And this is very hassle-free guys. So, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys did enjoy, and I hopefully you did get something from me today, and see you guys on my next one. Bye! Peace!